Oh my gosh, the Pink Bird show has continued for months and months. And probably even a year. I just wish Pink Bird come back someday. Because I've been waiting a whole year. What do you have anything to say about it, son?
Don't talk to me. I'm just a little birdie. I'm just a little bird. Wait, I think she's over there. Yeah, see her flying. She's over there.
Really? Pink Bird? Hey guys, what's up? Where have you been? I was waiting years and more!
Yo, is this a bad time? Because I don't know if it's a bad time, but whatever.
Yeah, it's a bad time! Okay, me and Pink Bird need to talk in private. Just go to your room!
You mad, bro?
Just go to your room already!
Alright, son, I'm not a little birdie for the good.
Okay, Big Bird, where were you this whole time? Well, I was here the whole time. What? I was just trying to get a little alone time, you know. Making a new channel called Jordan Bird, making 2 new episodes. And probably we're going to make an episode 3 called The Love Bug Returns. No! No! I don't want that guy to return! I'm going to make the corner! Will you stop raging for a little bit and let me talk? Sure! Whatever you say,
You mad, bro? Yo, dude, this guy mad. This guy mad. Oh, it's good. This guy mad.
Just shut up and go to your room! Shut up and go to your room!
Wow, he's rage quitting real bad. Anyway, I can bike to gun into the eggs. La 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 la.
Wait a minute, the eggs hatched when I was gone? Hello, this is the Pink Bird Show. And thanks for watching this episode with our special guest as his little birdie is faydrow! Yo, stop pecking me. Okay. We're probably gonna start. Who put the finger on the camera? My bad. Shut up. Okay. Anyway, we're about to make new episodes. Probably, and we're about to make a back to school episode. So, if we get like 10 million subscribers, I don't know if that's possible, but if we get, well, maybe. Or 1,000 subscribers will be fine. Okay. Then we'll make a Love Bug Returns with the all-new mechanical bug hidden somewhere. And also, in our videos from now on, we'll be making a hidden message in every video. Like if it's a love bug message, or if it's one of Pink Bird's darkest secrets.
Ah! Don't look at me, I'm just a little birdie.
Okay, so subscribe, and thanks to you for watching. Oh yeah, and share it with your friends and like it. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Do, 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 do. Wiggle, wiggle. Do, do, do,